Here we have a Scican Statim 5000 repair on the bench that's in for some preventative maintenance work. The manufacturer states that your biological filter should be changed every 6 months or 500 cycles, whichever comes first. However, if you notice this one, it has quite a bit of dirt and debris in it. If that happens prior to 6 months or 500 cycles, it should be changed. StatimUSA.com stocks and sells these parts. You can phone in your order at 704-966-1650, extension 1 for sales. We also provide free preventative maintenance programs that takes the guesswork out of knowing when this is needed. It's free to sign up. We will reach out to you via phone and let you know whether time has expired or not. Give us a call today or visit us at StatimUSA.com.